In this video, I've loaded up Astro with 15 pounds of laundry. Made a little shelf for him back there. And I'm going to ask him to follow me back from the laundry room to the bedroom. Astro, follow me. And he's following. What I want you to see is he's capable of going through doorways here without banging into stuff, even though he's got a wider load than usual. It's 14 inches wide now. He's following me through my little kitchen here and into the bedroom. So even though I'm walking backwards to do this, Astro, stop following. Then I could take the things off. So he can do this. He can follow you around, or you could send him to a location also. Astro, go to the patio. And as you can see, he can find his way around here. A little tight on some of the turns there, but he made his way through. So you could send him to the laundry room, or I have a way to remotely call him from the laundry room too. So he's pretty good at hauling that. I put a single bag of groceries on him too, and it works out pretty good.